constant process now of we gather donations from the community, and then obviously we hand them out when the request comes in. Well, I think providing support for families in the festive period is really important. The cost of Christmas now seems to be increasing year on year. So actually giving them this initiative to support with the cost and removing barriers to sportswear and footwear is obviously important, and I think we take away that cost of sportswear, which is obviously more and more expensive nowadays, so actually providing that support during the festive period is important.
Well, it made a real difference overall, because being in the Blaen y Gwent and bringing in a low income, my daughter and her partner was very, very grateful and reliant on the kids' room. It's been a godsend, to be honest with you, and it's helped the kids progress and play in their team and not look like they're the odd one out, you know, because they've got all the kit. So I think, you know, overall it's been great us being involved and knowing about the kit room.
Lots of families within our community are extremely proud. People don't want to ask for handouts, and people don't want to admit that they may need support with something. So that was one of our barriers initially. What we wanted to do was just make it as normal as children asking for a pen or pencil, and we wanted to take away that stigma of that it's not, as I said earlier, it's not charity, it is support.
The joy on their faces, because obviously they haven't got the means at home, and to be included and to just pick and choose, and they can't believe that what they picked, and if it fits, they can take away and use until they've outgrown it and then give it back. So it means the world to them.
It's not just those who stereotypically think, oh, they can't afford it. It's actually people now with parents who both work. I think that's the main thing is for us is to see the impact it's had by starting off small, and obviously myself and Adam look after it, and it's two people, and if we can do it, I'm sure other people can do it as well.
I'd say to start off small and not to be sort of too over ambitious. I mean, this project has been development over time, so I think, you know, me and Cam has got, you know, great, you know, invested interest in it as well, and I think, you know, that's the key to it, you know, working on the success of it as well. Work together from a collaborative perspective with sports clubs and, you know, schools and things like that. So it's definitely sort of great networking initiative where we all sort of work together to help and support as many people as possible.